Hello all, welcome to Lo Fácil Vivir. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Today I bring to you this easy DIY beach style decoration made with items from the dollar store. Please stay with me and enjoy the process of this decoration. So for starters, let me point out that I didn't pay $1.99 for this. Most items from the 99-cent store were 50% off, so I only paid $1 for this frame. I'm going to start by removing the backing of this frame and just whatever tools you need to remove all the backing. I'm using this paper cutter just to remove the paper in the back. And there's a frame also. I'm going to be removing a few of these pins with my pliers, and I'm only going to leave a few of them just so that I am able to seal this back down once we're done with this project. And please excuse the knife, but I couldn't find anything pointier and thinner to go on into the sides of this frame. So once I remove the backing of this frame, I'm taking a light sandpaper to sand away the letters that are printed on the glass. And now I'm going to be taking a little bit of Windex and a paper towel just to wipe away the rest of the paint that's left on the glass. And like accidents do happen, I broke off one of the little woods that comes around the frame, but I'm going to be taking my pliers and my hot glue just to glue it back in place. No biggie. Now I'm going to be taking some of my E6000 glue and adding it to the corners of the frame just to give it a good seal. Now I'm going to take some of my hot glue and I'm going to be adding it to all sides of the frame in between the glass and the wood just to give it a good seal. Since we are going to be using some sand in this project, I don't want the sand to be spilling all over the floor. And I'm just going to make sure my surface is nice and clean before adding my stickers. So after we're done adding our stickers, I'm turning it around and I'm going to scatter some of the sand around the bottom part of my frame. I'm also going to be adding some of these shells that I also got from the dollar store. And in this project, you can add as much sand and as many shells as you prefer. And after doing this, we're just going to put this frame back together. I'm going to add a few drops of my hot glue to go around the frame and to be able to seal the backboard to this frame. And that's it. We're just going to put it back together. And once that backboard was on, I took some of my hot glue and went around the sides of the frame just to give it a good seal. We don't want any of the sand getting away. And now I'm taking this cardboard and I'm going to cut it to size my frame. And I'm just going to take my hot glue and I'm going to glue it to the back of the frame just to give it a more permanent seal and just to make sure none of that sand gets on my floor. And just as easy as that, this DIY is done. Now for this next DIY, I found this globe from the garden center at the dollar store. And what I'm going to be doing with this is I'm going to be using the rest of the sand and a few more of the shells, just adding it inside the globe. And I'm going to be adding the shells also to sit on top of the sand. So I'm just adjusting all the shells so that they're all visible. And I'm also taking a few of these rocks that I have left over from another project, and I'm going to add a few of those. I'm taking my twine and I'm adding it to the top part of this globe, just so that I'm able to hang this beautiful globe somewhere. And just like that, this easy DIY is ready. Thank you so much for being with me here today at Lo Fácil BB. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you on the next video.